We got a cold start from the old junk that we're about to part out. Let's see what kind of oil pressure we get. Oh, it's running. No oil pressure. Come on. Still nothing. Yep, I better go check the oil. Got the scrap hauler hooked up to it with the booster pack. I mean, it's a little low, a lot low. Go try it again. Good thing we're parking this sucker. Take two. Come on. Good gravy. Here. Come on. Oh, contact. And she died. You're gonna make oil pressure blow. There we go. Finally. And it ain't but what, 20 pounds. Poof. Nah, just kidding. It's running though. It's idling. Gotta love parts vehicles.